Hello. Today we have a 97 Ford 7.3 turbo diesel. I had a leaking oil problem. It was coming out of my oil cooler, which is located here. The oil filter. It's the oil filter housing. So I gotta take this off. Which I already took some of it apart before the video. I forgot about it. Alright, so once you get your 3 bolts out on this side, you have to pull this housing out. So, I'm trying to separate it from this other half on the other side of the motor, and that's kind of hard. I'll be back with you in 1 second. Alright, sorry about that, guys. Alright, so as you can see, that's where my housing goes, towards the rear of the motor. This is the front of the other half, which I'm going to take out. I got 1 bolt out right now. Then this one right here is the part I took off. As you can see, that's your oil cooler, but it looks like I'm missing a gasket right here. Because that is one ugly piece. Oh, I bent that. I'm gonna have to bend that back up. That's my heater, block heater. Yeah, I bent it. That's Jake, by the way. Hi, Jake. You're going on YouTube, by the way. Yeah, I got a channel. I got 15 subscribers. I'm moving up in the world. I'm going to be like Whistling Diesel here in about 10 years. With my power stroke. I did just say that. With my sweet looking diesel, you know. So, I'll be back with you here in a minute. Alright, guys. We're back here. Alright, so I finally got the housing off. Right in under here. Can't really see it. Right under there. Somewhere. I had to take that rubber hose off of that to slide the fitting out through it. Boy, I got oil all over my phone. Anyways, this is the housing in the front of the motor, right here. Alright, that slips, you know, onto there. That's the oil cooler. So I'm about to replace these gaskets. There's 1 inside of here. And it's supposed to have 3 on each side, but I don't see it. So, now we gotta separate right here. Can you hold this phone for me, babe? Huh? You're gonna hold the phone for me now? Okay. That's fine. YouTube can wait. YouTube can wait. We'll be right back. Alright, guys, I'm back. Alright, so I'm going to put paper towel in this hole just in case. I don't want nothing to drop in there because that's my oil drain. So, alright, let's break this up now. There is a spot right here. Right, you pry this off. Let me turn my light on. That helps. Will it? Alright, so you have to pry right here. Alright. I'm gonna try to do this by myself here. Alright, so we just pry this. It's supposed to pry off. I might need 2 hands for this one. Yep, let me sit you down a second. Alright guys, I'm back here. I'm trying to get this off.
It's hard to see, babe.
Yeah, it's probably dirty. Oh, it looks like my screen's cracked. Alright, well I'm having a little difficulty trying to get this off. So it might take me a minute here. We gotta get this to separate. It's been on for a very long time. It's never been replaced. Factory. Alright. Trying my hardest not to break it. There we go. Oh, that was so easy after that, huh? Alright, so once that's torn off, that's all the oil in the oil cooler. You can see inside there, it's like a mini radiator for oil. I might want to clean them out. They're not clogged, but it's worth a try. Alright, now I gotta clean all this up, which we have a parts cleaner for that. So, I need to carry these over there in the car. Alright guys, I'll be right back with you. Hit the pause button. Welcome back guys. We're over here on the parts cleaner. Works pretty good. Just want to make sure it's all clean before I put this back on. A lot of gunk on here. Guess it was leaking for a while. I'll let that sit up and drain. There, pause it. Alright guys, so I'm just showing you. I got the gaskets for these, but I wanted to put a thin layer on this also, just to help, because it's got oil and coolant pressure. So we have this gasket, but I'm just, making sure. So what I'm doing, all that out of there. Then I can actually put it on the top of this one too, because I'm just that type of safe person when it comes to gaskets. you hold that, babe?
Tired of working from home. None of the excuses to maybe avoid a Zoom call. Jennifer, what was yours?
Definitely when my camera isn't working.
Oh yeah, that one gets used a lot. Pictures on the phone, tears in her eyes, waterproof makeup ain't made for a breakup. On a Saturday night, then sleep in bed. Good night, you. Funny I see you once after a few months, get you like that. Right back to telephone.
Huh? What you do? Yeah.
Huh?
Huh?
Nothing.
Clean yourself? Set that one on there. You got my lighter for me,
Advise this or what?
huh? What? It's like a nice seal. I want to make sure it don't leak ever again. So that's why I do it like that. What's he looking at me? Pretty funny. Kind of acting weird, I think. Jake don't think so. I do. Alright guys, so I'm just trying to clean up this stuff so that sealant and inside my housing. Now when you bolt it on, it's going to squeeze everywhere, but I just want to make sure it's where I want it. Now that will harden up a little bit, turn the rubber, and then I'll put it in. Alright.